What's the meaning of crush? Crush. Crush.
Crush. Crush. The word crush can have several meanings, depending on the context. Generally, it can refer to a strong and sudden attraction towards someone, or an intense feeling of infatuation. It can also refer to physically crushing something, like crushing a can with your foot. Another common usage is to describe a painful or uncomfortable situation, as in feeling crushed by the weight of responsibilities. In any case, crush usually connotes a sense of pressure, force, or intensity resulting in a significant impact or change upon the subject.